Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Mazda 6 Touring sedan, stock reference number 4822. This shape runs from the 11th month 2012 through to the 9th month 2014. It has an SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light. Left guard appears to have no damage. Bonnet has one small dent. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Left power door mirror. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre, painted black. Left tail light. Left boot lid garnish. Boot lid has two small dents. Right hand boot lid garnish. Right hand tail light. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right guard has three small dents. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre and painted black. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a small rip on the driver's seat on the outside edge as well as the passenger seat. Automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and rear headrests. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.